Assuming you aren't very unlucky and happen to download a series of bad recipes, I think it's one of a few things. It's possible you could be undercooking your goods. Fully cooked baked goods should not taste like flour. It's also possible that you could be mixing insufficiently. If this were the case, though, you'd likely have some cookies that weren't floury. The most likely culprit, though, is packed flour. If you are using volume measurements, most likely given the source, for flour, it's quite possible to use nearly twice as much flour as the recipe intends simply because your flour is packed down more than the author's was. I recommend using either a food processor or a sifter to sift your flour adequately before measuring. Don't undo your sifting by wrapping your measuring cup on the counter either. Simply scoop, scrape to level and dump it in the mixing bowl. See also, what kinds of recipes should I sift, aerate the flour? See link 1. How can I make sifting easier? See link 2. What is the purpose of sifting dry ingredients? See link 3. I've only ever had this issue if I undercook the baked item. You get the same issue if you don't cook your roux long enough.